How many of you are waking up in the morning and what are you thinking? See here, question is not waking up in the morning. Question is when are you starting your day and then what are you thinking? Okay, the first thought should come in your mind when you are waking up in the morning is very clear idea how much syllabus is in pending. What are the things I am going to forget? What are the things are tough what I have to revise? What are the things are formula based and still I am not able to remember the formula? What are the formulas what I was okay with but now I am not comfortable with them? What are the questions are in pending? How many test series are in pending? These things should attack you in the very morning. Okay, when you are waking up in the morning, you should not wake up with any other secondary thought. Maybe you have not prepared for IIT JEE in your 11th and 12th. Maybe. Or there is chance that you have prepared IIT JEE in your 11th 12th days. One more thing. Huge chance that you are not from any IIT or NIT. There is a huge chance. 95% chance that you are watching this video but you are not from any IIT or you are not from any NIT, because I know the data. Definitely you are sitting in any private college and watching this video, okay, or you are any private college student. See guys, I am not saying that private entering into private college is a bad decision because you could not qualify NIT or you could not qualify IIT. That's why you have taken your private college. And believe me, students from private college, they are also making a very good life in future after completing their masters. Okay, so you have to target that. You have to join IIT or ISC in your future to complete your masters and PhD. I will not recommend to go abroad. I will just recommend prepare for GATE exam and then join IIT or IISc. Okay, now point is, how will you prepare? What should be the first thought in your mind? These things should be the first thought in your mind, but how to execute this? When you are waking up, what is the daily routine of an average person, like ordinary person, like mom, dad, brother, sister? If your brother or sister, if they are preparing for any kind of competitive exams, mostly it will be seen that they are more serious than us, right? Okay, so you have not prepared for IIT JEE in your 11th and 12th class, or if you have prepared, does not matter. You may be knowing that how IIT JEE students are struggling when they are preparing for IIT JEE. How strongly they prepare, how day and night they used to sit and study. Those kind of dedication I don't see in GATE aspirants, and that's why they don't qualify GATE aerospace properly, and they say that it is tough or something. Anyway, first thing, GATE exam is very standard exam, so focus on this. See here, you need dedication level of very high attitude. You don't compromise with attitude in the morning. When you are waking up in the morning, first thing you should do, don't take your brush. Okay, don't take your brush, take your notes. Okay, focus on propulsion and focus on structure in the very beginning. Any one of them or both of them, it depends how much you have finished. Okay, if you are still looking for coaching center, join my coaching center immediately. I have every type of facilities and programs running, so you can join my coaching center immediately. I have qualified GATE aerospace 6 times and I am teaching GATE aerospace aspirants from last 8+ years. I have given so many toppers, and best part is I support all the students on their personal call. Come to this point and take your notes. Start your day with your notes. Your notes, you have to see minimum 15 minutes in the morning, minimum 15 minutes. And believe me, when you will be doing this every day, 1 hour you will be giving for revision, and after few days your revision process will be very light. So it will be like, see, there was one time when Indian culture was very different, and mostly people used to be farmers. So in the early days, like I hope you understand what I'm talking. When India was known only for the farming, only that time, people used to wake up in the morning and they used to go out in the garden, like, or they used to go outside somewhere. That was their lifestyle. The first thing what they used to do, and then they used to eat something. They used to eat fried or something, rice or something. This was their lifestyle. Slowly, when when British people came into India, then they introduced tea. Actually, before that also we had tea, but that format was not as tea. And they introduced coffee and all those things. And see here, slowly, they change the routine. Nowadays, I don't know the percentage, but still very huge amount of population, when they wake up in the morning, they look for tea and coffee. Okay, so this kind of changes you can see you have to make in your life. When you are waking up in the very morning, the first thing you should look not for your brush or not for any tea or coffee. The first thing should be like your brain should produce dopamine. If you are you have to train yourself that you will be happy if you will be preparing this kind of notes revision in the very morning. Okay, so for that, what will you do? When you are sleeping in the night, that time itself you keep your notes next to your bed wherever you are sleeping. And after that, when you are waking up in the morning, you will be having idea that if you are not gajni, then definitely it will be in your memory that in the morning I have to revise this topic. Okay, so open your notes and revise the topic. Don't revise the complete topic, whatever time is available, because you have to run for your college, or you have to run for your company, or you have to rush for some other important work. But other than that, you should find this time. So see, if you are not able to find out morning time or when you are waking up in the morning, then you little bit you shift your sleep schedule. If you are sleeping at for example, if you are sleeping at 11 p.m. and you are waking up at some 11 plus npm, so and you are not able to find time for revision purpose, then sleep at least little bit early, because morning first revision is very very important. That revision will be either 15 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour, does not matter, but your day should start with your notebook. This is my main recommendation. If your date is not starting with your notebook, it means you are not doing good in your life. Believe me, you should start your day like this, then only you will feel comfortable whole day, and preparation, this will be running in your mind. But in the morning, if you will start your day in some different way, then this thought will not appear in your mind. Okay, actually see, preparing for GATE exam means you have to complete the syllabus. Once the syllabus is going to your notebook from my video lecture or from my live classes, once it is reaching to your notebook, then okay, some job over, but not the complete job. Next job is you have to remember all the concepts, you have to remember all the formulas. After that, you have to find out time for the practice purpose. So every student is not able to give same practice time because of lack of time. Some students are in third year, but still they are able to practice very well. Some students are in third year, but because of their personal problems, they are not able to find enough time. But believe me guys, change this. You are the only person who can find time out of your 24 hour for GATE preparation. I can see in different college, some students are not finding time for GATE preparation, even though they are completing their 4 years of time. When will you prepare for GATE exam? This is your duty. You have to find time out of your 24 hours. If you cannot, no one can give you extra hours. You have to find out time somehow. How will you find out time? That is your own business. Okay, mind it. Prepare for GATE exam very seriously, or leave the GATE exam preparation. Okay, don't make yourself full. Don't make your family full. What are you going to do now from today itself? From today itself, I mean, if you are watching this video in the very morning, then do one thing. Just after this video, you start anything. At least if you are in structure portion, then start with day one revision. If you are in preparation portion, start with thermodynamics, but start revision. Why I am making this video? Because I was running 2023 batch students have joined me. In Feb 15th, we had our day one class 2022. I will repeat again. Students who are preparing for GATE 2023 as their attempt, they joined me in my regular batches. Date was Feb 15th 2022, and actually structure and propulsion, these are the lengthiest subject, and I start them in the very beginning of the session, so that we can have complete preparation, 100% preparation for propulsion and structure. So in last day itself, that was the last lecture of structure I have taken. So propulsion over, structure over, but don't worry, again these subjects will start when all the subjects will get over. Okay, so if some students are about to join coaching center, they can join me. Then from Monday we are starting a new batch. In that new batch we are starting aerodynamics, and because this propulsion and structure I have covered, so it will be the same batch of the regular batch students. Just after this when the regular batch students will complete their subjects like aerodynamics, flight mechanics, and propulsion and structure and space dynamics and rocket propulsion. Just after that I will again revise this structure and propulsion, because they are only the lineage thing. Or if you don't want to join the live class, you can take the same video course whatever I have taught here, and you can start your preparation for all the subjects. Spend some time on my YouTube channel, you will come to know about me properly. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. See now, if you are preparing for GATE aerospace exam, your morning should be very clear. You have to maintain your energy level, because even though you are revising in the morning, after that you will be performing some other task in a day. After that you are going to be tired. So how are you going to manage your routine? That routine you have to think. In that you have to find time for practice. So see here, only two things I want to mention, that is the main thing about this video. First thing, how are you going to start your day? So you have to start your day with your notebook. Okay, no mom, no dad, no family, no girlfriend, no WhatsApp, no chat, no boyfriend, nothing. No tea, no coffee, only notebook. See, believe me, every year I used to give challenges. Let October come, after that I will give you 16 hours study challenge. Last year one of my student, Javel Rupini, he was studying 16 hours and he has sent me proofs for that. After my video he was not my student that time. I think just after my this video he joined me and he started studying in IIT, in 16 hours for GATE, and this year only, like he was in 2022 batch, and now he's in IIT Kanpur, Javel Rupini, and very soon I will upload his video also, his interview video also. Okay, so guys, if he can do, you can do. First thing is how to start your day. Next thing is to plan your day. You have to think one day before itself. Like for example, today is 20th July 2022. So what are you going to perform on 20th July? This thing you will schedule on 19th July night time before you are going to bed. Okay, so this is how you should produce your day. The complete day should be productive for GATE aerospace exam. If you are not preparing for GATE aerospace exam seriously, believe me, your rank will not come seriously. And especially general category students, especially, you guys focus more on the preparation. Okay, don't take me otherwise, don't take me in wrong way. I am not talking about reservation or something here, totally not. I am just trying to say that general category students, you have to perform lot more. Okay, what are you thinking? So that's all. Let's meet in next video.